Little steps, big beginnings. On the occasion of International Yoga Day, our tiny tots of the primary block, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans BHEL, came together to embrace the joy of yoga. With innocent smiles and boundless energy, our young learners explored simple asanas, learning the importance of balance, focus, and inner peace. From stretching their tiny hands to sitting calmly in meditation, every moment reflected enthusiasm and happiness. Yoga not only strengthens the body but also nurtures the mind. And today, our little stars took their first step towards a healthy and mindful life. Let's continue to inspire these young hearts to go stronger, calmer, and brighter every day. Our tiny tots showed us that yoga is fun, powerful, and full of smiles. Let's keep practicing and stay happy always. Happy International Yoga Day!